Welcome to the STEDI TypeX Pro Plus Customizer, a completely new way to configure your lights with full 3D control. To start, let's break down the experience window. The 3D visualizer on the right lets you view your build in real time. You can click and drag to rotate the light, giving you a full 360-degree view as you customize each detail. There's also a capture button below on the left side of the window, allowing you to take a snapshot of your design at any point during the build. First, you'll select your module type. You can choose between a DRL or non-DRL module. Once selected, use the quantity selector below to choose how many lights you want in your final configuration. You can choose up to 6 in total. Just note, you're designing one light at a time, so if you select more than one in quantity, each of those lights will use the exact same configuration. With your module and quantity locked in, click the orange Next button to move on to the bezel style. Here you have 3 bezel options: rugged, modern, and caged. Your bezel choice will influence what's available in the next steps. If you choose rugged, you'll only see the compatible rugged fascia. Selecting modern gives you access to both standard modern and modern rugged fascia options. If you go with caged, there are no fascia add-ons available. The cage bezel is a standalone style. After choosing your fascia style and color, you'll move on to your cover options. This will vary depending on whether you selected DRL or non-DRL module, and will also adapt to your bezel choice. The builder will only show covers that are compatible with your current configuration. Next is the shoulder trim. Both rugged and modern shoulder trims are available across all bezel styles, so you're free to choose whichever suits your build best. Once your trim is selected, you'll have the option to add an anti-theft kit. You can choose to include it or skip ahead by clicking the orange Next button. Next, you'll need to choose your high beam triggered harness. This step is required to proceed, so be sure to select the option that matches your setup. With all the selections complete, you'll arrive at the summary screen. On the left, you'll see a full price breakdown of your builds with the option to add to cart. You'll also find a share configuration button. Clicking this copies a unique link to your clipboard so you can share your build with your mates or post it to social media. That's the STEDI TypeX Pro Plus Customizer. Intuitive, immersive, and fully custom. Build yours now.